Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 5 minutes, so I will pause your recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. I have an order at 40.50 here for a put, in at 40.50 and out for $100. If you blinked, you missed it. I am doing options. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. Walk through the terminology, how things work. Don't be intimidated. I know sometimes options have a intimidated reputation. They don't need to be made that way. I approach them in more of a simple way. So if that's how you like to approach things in more of simple fashions, then I'm very confident that guide can help you out. So again, just comment below option guide. And then, like I said, that one, if you blinked, you missed it. So how my screen works is, that order, or this whole line there, was white for a second. It turned green as soon as I was able to buy at 40.50. And then for a brief moment, that showed up as white. And then as soon as that turned green, that meant I was able to sell. And then when this secondary line went from white to green, that is where the $100 over there showed. So at first I was looking at this number to go down to 40.50, slightly below. And then I was watching that number to go slightly above, slightly above 41.50, and when that happened, I was able to sell. So that's just a quick little kind of recap on how my screen is working. So I'm going to change strike prices now. Changing what? Again, that's one of the terms that will be used, or that talked about in that guide. So we'll keep an eye on it. But yeah, starting off with a very quick $100. Okay, looking for 39.50 here for a call. So I'm watching that number. So I want to see that number drop down to 39.50 and then go slightly below. So yeah, it's a ways off right now, but this one can move pretty quick. So that's why this order over here is white, because I'm trying to buy. I just have not been able to buy yet. All right, I'll pause. I have an order at 43 here for a call. I think I missed it though. Yeah, I did. Well, never mind. A little too slow on that one. I'll cancel that out. And I will pause. Have an order at 39 for a put in at 39 and out for $100 there. Very good. So another quick $100. You hopefully would have seen that. Again, that was white turned green, and then that second line was white turned green, and then the $100 showed up. So hopefully you had a good example of how the screen works on that one. What is that? 60. Let's change strike prices again. And yeah, 38. Let's throw out an order there at 38. There we go. And let's see if I can get that one, but I will go ahead and pause. So up pretty smooth $200 so far. Whoops, I am in and out. Sorry, I missed the entry point on that one. Happened very, very quickly. In and out for another $100 in, I don't know, maybe 2 seconds. So that's why that one right there now shows $200. But again, you would have seen the exit, because that showed up white there for just a second. So I apologize. That one shot up very quickly, filled me, and I was not able to get things started right away. All right, so now up $300. It's $9.55, so $300 in 25 minutes. I'm quite happy with that. Maybe another opportunity if this thing wants to keep on bouncing. I'll keep an eye on it. All right, on that note, it's about 10 o'clock. I'm going to call it good. I mean, if I can make $100 every 10 minutes, or have that, I should say, average out to that, then I am not a greedy savage. I am more than happy with $100 on average every 10 minutes. Not many places in the world where you can pull that off. Now, sure, I could stick around for another 3 hours and potentially get that much more, but this is a side hustle for me. For those of you new to the channel, I believe in and I have multiple streams of income, and I do this not because I want a yacht. Now, if you want a yacht, go get that yacht. I do it because as a father of 6 kids, I want the freedom of schedule. I want to be able to look at my schedule and say, and do what I want when I want to do it. And I think that for me, at my stage in life, that's the true wealth, having the freedom of schedule, the freedom of time. So sure, making $300, not going to be able to go buy a yacht. But like I said, that's not my goal. And when you combine the $300 in 30 minutes in combination with the other streams of income from my real estate investing and the teaching business and dividend portfolio and all the other stuff I have going on, it makes it worth my time. Now I understand maybe $100 every 10 minutes on average is not worth your time. If it's not, what do you do like for a living? That's awesome. Like, I'm happy for you. I'm not jealous, but like what do you do where you would sit there and say, are you Bill Gates or like Elon Musk or something? But no, for me, definitely worth it. And I'm happy with it. So I'm going to go ahead and call it good and move on with my day. Again, if you want to learn more about options, just comment below option guide. And also if you want to learn more about technical charts and what I'm doing here with the analysis, how am I finding out where to buy, where to sell, all of that, then I do offer a free webinar for that. And I'm going to transition to a new video right now and tell you more about how you can get signed up. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.